the scripture Ramayana. As it is an ancient text, as he read repeatedly, as he was teaching Ramayana to people, he could not buy new Ramayana text. He stitched same old text and was making use of it. A devotee, a woman, used to sit in the front always. She sits even before the scholar arrives. So long Ramayana discourse was going on, she wipes out her eyes. She goes on nodding her head and wipes out the tears. The reading of the text came to conclusion. The scholar got up to distribute the sacred water on this concluding day, Purnahuti. One might come one day and they may not be able to come the following day. But this old lady never missed any talk. She is the only one who attended the Saptaha. She is a great devotee who listened to talks with all sincerity and devotion. He got up to give this sacred water, Tirtha, to her. Mother, all this Ramayana must have been imprinted on your heart. He said, sir, I don't know all about this Ramayana. I don't know what Ramayana is, I don't know what Parayana reading of it. The scholar asked, what is it that you have listened to over this week? She said, I have not listened to anything. Then why are you shedding the tears of joy? My husband died. As per the culture of Bharat, he used to have waistband, the black thread. He had that black thread as waistband. I see that black thread in your book. Whenever I look at that black thread, I am reminded of my husband. But the reason I am crying not for any Ramayana. If we ask what did Swami say, some don't understand it at all. But their looks are straight on Swami. They look as if they listen with their ear. But mind is running after in different direction. Students with their minds that always run after, there is no use in listening to any number of talks. The one who has got control over the mind doesn't need anything. There's one great devotee. He was repeating Ashtotra Nama. He was repeating Ashtotra Nama, Kesavaya Nama, Madhavaya Nama, placing flowers. He watches the time. He has to go to office by 9 o'clock. While placing flowers, repeating mantra, he was asking his wife, has the dhobi brought the clothes? While repeating Lord's name here, why should you say the name of the dhobi? Bhartiyas do such worship today. They don't keep their mind steady and utter Lord's name in concentration. They do bhajans. They do bhajans. They only think of the rhythm and the beat, but and the tune. Then what about the feeling? The moment one completes, the other man should begin. He doesn't listen. He doesn't concentrate on the song he sings. He goes on planning for the future song. What is the use of such sort of bhajans?
At the time of dining, you offer prayer. Why should we offer prayer at the time of partaking food? Basing on the propagation of Gita, when the container is clean, when the material is clean, the process of the cooking is clean, then only the heart will be pure. Or the cooker is clean. Or the cook. It's not possible to anyone to find out the defects in either of the three. We go to the market and buy vegetables. These vegetables, where from he has stolen, whose property it is. So it's not possible to know the defects. We go to the market and buy rice. We purchase all that is needed. It's not possible for us to decide whether it's sacred or unsacred. But however, we can clean the container. We do not know whether the cleaner is cleaning the container or not. Then the cook, with what thoughts he is cooking. If he has bad thoughts, they will enter in the process of cooking. As is the mind, so is the food.
కనుక వండేటువంటి వాడు మంచి భావాలతో వండినప్పుడే ఆ యొక్క దీంట్లో మంచి పరిపక్వమైనటువంటి ఆహారము, పరిశుద్ధమైన ఆహారము, పుష్టికరమైనటువంటి ఆహారము, పవిత్రమైనటువంటి భావాలను అనుభవించేటువంటి ఆహారము తయారవుతుంది.
Therefore, if the cooks food with pure thoughts, good thoughts, all the food will be good, and then good thoughts will come out of us.
కనుకనే ఈ మూడు శుద్ధములను మనం విచారణ చేయడం సాధ్యం కాదు. కనుకనే మనం బ్రహ్మార్పణము ఈ భగవత్ యొక్క అర్పితంగా భావించినప్పుడు ఇందులో సర్వదోషములు కూడా పరిహారం అయిపోతుంది.
And therefore, as we cannot decide the purity of all these three, then once we offer to God, they will be purified automatically.